Hello everyone. In last class we have discussed zero of the polynomial. Now let us see dividing polynomials. Dividing polynomials. Let us consider 25 and 3. 25 divided by 25 divided by 3. 25 divides 3. 3 8 ja 24. 24 is subtracted from 25. We get 1. We get quotient equal to 8. Remainder equal to 1. 25 divided by 3, we get quotient equal to 8, remainder equal to 1. We can write 25 equal to 3 into 8 plus 1. Here 25 is dividend, 3 is divisor, 8 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Similarly, 20 divided by 5, 20 divided by 5, 20 divided by 5, 5 4 ja 20, that is 20 minus 20, then the remainder is 0. We can write 20 equal to 5 into 4 plus 0. Here quotient equal to 4, remainder equal to 0. Quotient equal to 4, remainder equal to 0. Here remainder equal to 0, here remainder equal to 0, then 5 is we can say 5 is a factor of 20. 5 is a factor of 20. Here our remainder equal to 0, here remainder equal to 0, 5 is a factor of 20, or 20 is a multiple of 5. Okay. Similarly we can also divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Let us see a polynomial 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x divided by another polynomial x. Divide 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x by another monomial x. We have 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x by x, and separating each term 3x cube by x plus 2x square by x plus 4x by x. Here x cancel, 3x square plus x cancel 2x plus 4. We observe that x is a common factor of every term. X is a common factor of every term. We can write 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x equal to x into 3x square plus 2x plus 4. x into 3x square is the 3x cube, x into 2x is the 2x square, x into 4x is the 4x. Therefore, x is a factor of 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x. Let us consider another example. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by monomial x. We have 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x, and separating each term 2x square by x plus 3x by x plus 1 by x. Okay. Here xx cancel, 2x plus xx cancel, 3 plus 1 by x. It is not polynomial since 1 by x have negative power. 1 by x have negative power. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Here x is a common in first two terms. We can write x into 2x plus 3 plus 1. Here we observe that here remainder is 0. X is a not factor of 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Here remainder equal to 1. X is a not factor of 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Here x is a common factor of each term, then the remainder is 0. Therefore, x is a common factor of given polynomial. Here remainder equal to 1. X is a not factor of 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us see another example. Divide 2x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 by x minus 1. Two x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 by divide given polynomial divided by linear polynomial divided by x minus 1. Recall division process. Here first term equal to 2x cube by first term divisor first term is x, that equal to 2x square. It becomes first term in quotient. First term in dividend by first term in divisor equal to 2x square. 2x square is the first term in coefficient. Multiply 2x square into divisor x minus 1, that equal to 2x square into x is the 2x cube minus 2x square. 2x cube minus 2x square. Subtract 2x cube minus 2x square from 2x cube minus 3x square. 2x cube minus 2x cube cancel. Next minus 3x square minus of minus 2x square. Minus 3 plus 2 minus x square plus 2x. Divide minus x square by first term x, we get minus x. It becomes second term in the quotient. Minus x into divisor x minus 1, that equal to minus x square plus x. Minus x square plus x. minus x square plus x, subtract from minus x square plus 2x, minus x square cancel, plus 2x minus x plus 5. Here first term x by x that equal to 1. It becomes third term in the quotient 1 into x minus 1 minus x minus 1. Subtract x minus 1 from x plus 5, minus plus cancel, plus 5 plus 1 6. Okay, therefore quotient equal to 2x square minus x plus 1, then remainder equal to 6. Here 0 of the polynomial of x minus 1, here 0 of the polynomial of x minus 1, 0 of the polynomial x minus 1 is 1. Replace, let p of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Replace x by minus 1, p of x by plus 0 of the polynomial of x minus 1 equal to 1, replace x by 1, p of 1 equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 5. 2 into 1 cube value is 1 minus 3 into 1 square value is the 1 plus 2 plus 5, that equal to 2 minus 3 plus 2 plus 5, that equal to 2 plus 2 is the 4 plus 5 is the 9 minus 3 equal to 6, p of 1 equal to 6. We observe that remainder is the same in two methods. Here remainder equal to p of 1 equal to 6, here remainder equal to 6, remainder equal to 6. Based on this example, we can state remainder theorem. Based on this example, we can state remainder theorem. Important theorem, remainder theorem. First listen, let p of x is any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Let p of x is any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and a is any real number, if p of x divided by linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Let p of x is any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, any real number if p of x polynomial in x is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Okay, let us see one example. Find the remainder. Find the remainder. Find the remainder when x square minus, find the remainder when divided by, when divide x square minus 6x plus 10 by x minus 2. We can do either division method or remainder method. We will get same answer by any method. By using remainder theorem, let p of x equal to x square minus 6x plus 10. X square minus, if x square minus 6x plus 10 divided by x minus 2, then remainder is p of 2. By remainder theorem, if x square minus 6x plus 1 divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is p of 2. So p of 2 equal to 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 10. The 2 square value 2 square, 2 into 2 4 minus 6 2 jet 12 plus 10. 10 plus 4 14 minus 12, that equal to 2. Therefore p of 2 value is 2. Therefore 2 is the remainder of p of x. We can do either division method or remainder theorem method. We will get same answer. Okay. Next, let us see another sum. If the polynomial ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and 2x cube minus 5x plus a are divided by x minus 2, leave the same remainder. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. If the polynomial ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and 2x cube minus 5x plus a are divided by x minus 2, leave the same remainder. Find the value of a. Solution. Let p of x equal to ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and another polynomial g of x equal to 2x cube minus 5x plus a. Next, p of x, the polynomial p of x and g of x are divided by x minus 2. Leave the same remainder. If p of x is divided by if p of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder equal to, then the remainder is p of 2, then the remainder is p of 2. 0 of the polynomial of x minus 2. To find the zeros, given polynomial equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. P of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is p of 2. P of 2 equal to a into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 13. A into 2 cube value 8, a into 8 plus 3 into 2 square 4 minus 13, that equal to 8 into a, 8a plus 3 4 are 12, 12 minus 13, 12 minus 13, that equal to 8a minus 1. 12 minus 13, 1. This is equation 1. If g of x is divided by x minus 2, if g of x is divided by, if g of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is g of 2. 0 of the polynomial of x minus 2 is 2. g of 2 equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 5 into 2 plus a. 2 into 2 cube value is the 8 minus 10 plus a. 8 2 ja 16 minus 10 plus a, that equal to 16 minus 10 is the 6 plus a. This is equation 2. As per the problem, p of x and g of x divided by x minus 2 leave the same remainder. As per the problem, p of 2 equal to g of 2, same remainder. Here p of 2 value 8a minus 1, that equal g of 2 value 6 plus a, that equal to 8a plus a minus a 6 plus 1. 8a minus a equals 7a equal to 7. We get a equal to 7 by 7, a equal to 1. Okay, first, if the polynomial p of x and g of x divided by x minus 2 leave the same remainder, let p of x, g of x, first p of x is divided by x minus 2, remainder is p of 2. G of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is g of 2. As per the problem, p of 2 equal to g of 2. Therefore, a equal to 1. Next, let us see another problem. Let us see another problem. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2, leaves the remainder 2, and x plus 2 leaves the remainder 2. minus 2. Find A and B. Find A and B. First, when a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2, leaves the remainder 2, and x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 leaves the remainder minus 2. Find A and B. Solution. First, let P of x equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. Has remainder when P of x is divided by x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is 2. As the remainder when P of x is divided by x minus 2 is 2. That is P of 2 equal to 0 of the polynomial of x minus 2. 0 of the polynomial of x minus 2 is 2. X minus P of 2 equal to 2. X minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. P of 2 equal to, then the remainder equal to 2. P of 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b equal to 2. 2 into 2 cube value 8 plus 3 into 2 square value is 4 plus 2a plus b equal to 2. 8 2 is 16 plus 3 4 is 12 plus 2a plus 2 equal to 2a plus b equal to 2. 16 plus 12 is the 28. 28 plus 2a plus b equal to 2. 2a plus b equal to 2 minus 28, that equal to minus 26. This is equation 1. Next, as remainder when P of x divided by x plus 2, P of x divided by x plus 2 is minus 2, then P of 0 of the polynomial of x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2, P of minus 2 equal to minus 2. Replacing x by minus 2, 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b equal to minus 2. 2 into minus 2 whole cube is the minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus into minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2. Minus 16 plus 12 minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2. Minus 16 plus 12 minus 4 minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2. Minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2 plus 4, that equal to 2. This is equation 2. Solving these equations from equation 1 and from equation 1 and 2, equation 1 plus equation 2. First equation 2a plus b equal to minus 26. Second equation minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2. equal to plus 2. Plus 2a minus 2a cancel. 2b equal to minus 26 plus 2 minus 24. Then b equal to minus 12. Substitute b equal to substitute b equal to minus 12 in equation 1. We get 2 into 2a plus b value is minus 12, 2a minus 12 equal to 2a minus 12 equal to minus 26. 2a equal to minus 26 plus 12. Minus 26 plus 12 is minus 14. Therefore, a equal to minus 14 by 2, a equal to minus 7. Here b equal to minus 12, a equal to minus 7. Okay, hope you all understood. Let us continue this tomorrow. Yeah.